Today is going to be an exciting ride as we dive into the world of millionaires. Ever wondered what makes them tick, and what sets them apart? Well, you're in for a treat as we explore the fascinating psychology that underlies their success. Picture this as a journey, not just a regular one, but a journey into the minds of those who've made it big in the financial game. We're about to uncover the secrets that contribute to their success. It's like lifting the curtain on a captivating show that reveals the intricate details of their thought processes. So, buckle up and get ready for a deep dive into some eye-opening insights that could change the way you view wealth and success. This is an adventure that might just revolutionize your thinking and leave you with a fresh perspective on what it takes to make it big in this world. Now, let's take a plunge into the first fundamental element of millionaire psychology, the mindset. It's essentially a lifestyle. Millionaires actively nurture a growth-oriented mindset, where challenges aren't roadblocks but rather stepping stones. Setbacks are viewed as valuable lessons, and success is seen as an ongoing journey rather than a fixed destination. Think of it this way. For millionaires, it's not merely about having a rosy outlook but embracing a profound philosophy that shapes every aspect of their lives. They don't just see problems, they see opportunities to learn and grow. Every stumbling block becomes a chance to refine skills and push their boundaries. In the realm of millionaire thinking, success isn't a one-time achievement. It's an ongoing adventure, and about continuously evolving, adapting, and thriving. Their mindset propels them forward, making them resilient in the face of challenges and open to seizing new opportunities. So, as we delve into the mindset of millionaires, consider this not just as a peek into their thoughts, but as an exploration of a way of life, a life that thrives on continuous improvement, resilience, and a perpetual thirst for growth. Let's delve even further into this crucial aspect of millionaire thinking, the abundance mindset. It's a foundational belief that asserts there's an abundance of opportunities and resources for everyone. For millionaires, success isn't a limited commodity. Rather, it's about generating value, aiding others, and nurturing collective advancement. This mindset isn't confined to financial prosperity. It ripples through every facet of their lives. Imagine it as a profound philosophy that millionaires wholeheartedly embrace, a philosophy that goes beyond the confines of monetary wealth. They don't view success as a zero-sum game where one person's gain is another's loss. Instead, they operate from the perspective that there's plenty to go around, and by contributing positively to the world, they not only benefit themselves but also create an environment where everyone can flourish. So, when we talk about the abundance mindset within the millionaire psychology, envision it as a guiding principle that shapes their actions, decisions, and interactions. It's a mindset that fuels generosity, collaboration, and a genuine belief in the potential for collective prosperity. As we continue our exploration into the intricate workings of millionaire minds, keep this powerful concept in mind, and get ready for a richer understanding of how this mindset forms the bedrock of their success. Another fundamental aspect deserving attention is the art of strategic planning, a must in the journey to financial prosperity. Mere chance doesn't determine the success of millionaires. Instead, it hinges on an intentional and detailed process. Successful individuals emerge as meticulous planners, not merely crossing their fingers and hoping for the best but embarking on the deliberate creation of a roadmap for success. What sets them apart is their ability to establish crystal clear, measurable goals and then meticulously design intricate plans to achieve them. This goes beyond wishful thinking. It's crafting a personalized blueprint for success. This blueprint is tailored to align precisely with their unique vision and deeply held values. The rich chart a course, a deliberate and thoughtful path that leads them towards their desired destination. This process is about strategically engineering success in alignment with their aspirations and principles. This pivotal concept of strategic planning is vividly manifested through the art of goal setting, a practice that serves as the guiding light in a millionaire's financial journey. Far beyond vague aspirations, they set forth specific, measurable targets that bring direction and purpose to their pursuit of success. Whether the aim is acquiring a dream home, launching a business venture, or achieving early retirement, well-defined goals act as the compass steering their financial decisions. Goal setting, in their realm, transcends being a mere task. It transforms into a profound and metamorphic process. It necessitates the identification of one's core values, and the envisioning of the desired life. By setting goals that are specific, measurable and time-bound, millionaires essentially embark on the creation of a detailed roadmap for greatness. This transformative process not only breaks down overwhelming objectives into manageable steps, but also creates a sense of feasibility into the seemingly impossible. As one delves it becomes evident that goal setting is a dynamic and evolving facet of their financial journey. It is a continuous process, requiring periodic reassessment and adjustment to align with changing circumstances and evolving aspirations. This adaptability ensures that the roadmap to success remains relevant and responsive to the twists and turns encountered along the path to financial prosperity. In essence, the strategic establishment of goals becomes an ongoing narrative, shaping and reshaping the trajectory of their wealth story. Millionaires possess a profound understanding of making their money work for them. Beyond the conventional wisdom of merely saving, it's a strategic and diversified approach to investing that propels them towards financial prosperity. In the realm of wise investing, these individuals recognize that their wealth is a dynamic force that can be harnessed and multiplied. The magic lies in channeling their financial resources into avenues that have the potential to generate returns and build wealth over time. This is not a passive endeavor but an active and informed strategy where they carefully consider the risk and reward factors. Diversification becomes a crucial aspect of this strategy. Millionaires understand the importance of spreading their investments across various asset classes, mitigating risks associated with market fluctuations. They usually don't place all their eggs in one basket. Instead, they intelligently allocate resources across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Moreover, their approach to investing is characterized by a long-term perspective. They're not swayed by short-term market fluctuations or the allure of quick gains. Instead, they anchor their investment decisions in a vision that spans years, if not decades. This patience allows them to weather the storms of market volatility and capitalize on the compounding effects that accrue over time. The strategic and diversified nature of their investment portfolio reflects a nuanced understanding of financial markets and economic trends. They stay informed, continuously educate themselves, and seek the counsel of financial experts. This proactive engagement with the financial landscape empowers them to make better decisions, ensuring that their money is working efficiently towards the goal of success. In essence, the concept of wise investing among millionaires extends beyond a simplistic view of money management. It embodies a sophisticated and strategic dance with the financial markets, a dance where each move is carefully calculated, and each step contributes to the symphony of financial success. In stark contrast to prevailing misconceptions, it's important to recognize that individuals who have amassed substantial wealth don't always exhibit the stereotypical traits of extravagant spenders. It's a notable deviation from the common narrative. Many millionaires, in fact, consciously adopt a frugal lifestyle. This choice isn't rooted in a sense of deprivation but rather in the deliberate pursuit of making choices that seamlessly align with their goals and dreams. This frugality doesn't translate to a compromise on comfort or the joys of life. Rather, it represents a strategic and intentional approach to financial management. Millionaires exhibit a keen awareness of their financial landscape, making thoughtful decisions to curate a lifestyle that not only fulfills their immediate desires, but also positions them for sustained success in the long run. Rather than succumbing to the allure of unnecessary and impulsive expenditures, these individuals are astute in their resource allocation. Every financial decision is a carefully considered step towards building and preserving their wealth. It's a testament to their financial acumen, demonstrating that wealth is managing resources judiciously. By embracing a mindset that prioritizes mindfulness and purpose in their money choices, these millionaires set a precedent for a holistic and disciplined approach to wealth accumulation. In essence, it's about the thoughtful cultivation of a lifestyle that not only reflects their current affluence, but also safeguards their financial future. An unyielding dedication to the ceaseless pursuit of knowledge. This distinction of millionaires lies in their financial achievements and also in an inherent commitment to continuous learning. These individuals, having attained significant wealth, embody the essence of perpetual students, exhibiting an insatiable appetite for knowledge, a keen awareness of market trends, and an unparalleled ability to adapt to the ever-shifting dynamics of their environment. The ethos of investing in oneself is a must for millionaires, an imperative. The realization that our world is in a perpetual state of evolution serves as a catalyst for these high achievers to embrace a commitment to lifelong learning as a non-negotiable imperative. It is a recognition that staying ahead of the curve requires enduring dedication to expanding one's intellectual horizons. This commitment transcends the realm of rhetoric. It manifests as a dynamic and evolving practice. Millionaires, as lifelong learners, delve into a multifaceted approach to knowledge acquisition. They engage in voracious reading, consuming a diverse array of books that span genres and subjects. Concurrently, they actively participate in workshops, seizing opportunities to interact with thought leaders and industry experts. This proactive engagement is complemented by an unwavering curiosity for emerging trends, ensuring that these individuals remain at the forefront of innovation and change. Lifelong learning, for the wealthy, is a strategic and intentional investment in personal and professional growth. It signifies a conscious effort to not only adapt to change but to thrive amidst it. The acquisition of knowledge is perceived as a dynamic tool, one that enhances their capabilities, refines decision-making prowess, and fortifies their resilience in the face of challenges. As perpetual students, millionaires harness the transformative power of education to propel themselves forward. This commitment ensures that they retain relevance in their respective fields, and also emerge as leaders who shape the future. The correlation between knowledge and success becomes a guiding principle, a beacon that guides the path towards sustained achievement and affluence. In the world of millionaires, humility is like a secret superpower. Imagine it as a tool that helps you understand yourself better. Acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses is like having a treasure map to success. It's staying down to earth, not getting carried away by success. Millionaires get that being boastful or showing off isn't the key. Instead, it's about knowing what you're good at and where you can improve. So, here's the deal. The rich understand that acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses is like having a treasure map to success. Stay grounded, learn from others, and embrace continuous improvement. They learn from others, soak up knowledge like a sponge, and constantly strive to get better. Think of humility as your guide on the road to growth. When you embrace it, you stay on track, avoiding detours that might slow you down. Millionaires know that success isn't just about reaching the destination, it's enjoying the journey and becoming the best version of yourself along the way. In simple terms, humility for millionaires is like having a built-in guide that keeps them focused, grounded, and always moving forward. It's not about being perfect. It's about being open to growth, learning, and becoming a better person every day. In the captivating realm of those who have achieved remarkable success, positivity stands out as a guiding force. Envision it as a transformative key, possessing the magical ability to unlock doors, particularly when faced with daunting challenges. These high achievers exhibit a distinctive talent for maintaining a positive outlook, showcasing resilience in the face of adversity. For them, setbacks aren't perceived as impassable roadblocks but rather as valuable stepping stones along the path to success. Rather than succumbing to the weight of challenges, they see them as golden opportunities for learning, growth, and personal development. So, let's delve into this invaluable piece of advice. Safeguard that positive mindset as if it were a treasured possession. It functions as a potent tool capable of profoundly transforming your journey to success. Picture it as a shield, guarding you from the corrosive effects of negativity and propelling you forward, regardless of the obstacles in your way. In straightforward terms, what these accomplished individuals impart to us is this: embrace positivity, consider setbacks as stepping stones, and bear witness to the enchantment as it turns your journey toward success into a thrilling adventure. Possessing this mindset is like having a secret ingredient that renders every challenge an opportunity for growth and advancement. In the dynamic world of millionaire strategies, envisioning vast possibilities takes center stage. Imagine it as having an expansive vision that transcends the ordinary. Millionaires, in their pursuits, eschew complacency and set their sights on businesses with the capacity for exponential growth. This goes beyond mere dreaming. It's transforming those ambitious dreams into a tangible reality of substantial wealth. Let's zoom in on a critical concept: scalability. It's the secret sauce that propels these high achievers forward. Scaling efforts involves finding ingenious ways to magnify impact, and there exists a myriad of avenues to achieve this feat. Some entrepreneurs harness cutting-edge technology, capitalizing on the latest innovations to streamline and enhance their operations. Others embrace the power of automation, allowing processes to run seamlessly without constant manual intervention. And that's not all. Expanding reach is another pivotal dimension. Millionaires comprehend the significance of broadening their horizons, reaching new audiences, and tapping into diverse markets. It's akin to planting seeds in different fields, ensuring a robust and diversified harvest. Now, let's weave the threads together. This transcends mere business jargon. It's constructing genuine, substantial wealth. Millionaires recognize that by thinking big, embracing scalability, and diversifying their reach, they embark on the journey to create enduring financial success. Picture it as constructing a sturdy foundation that can support the weight of monumental achievements, turning aspirations into a reality of significant prosperity. Strategic partnerships emerge as a fundamental principle of mindset that transcends mere convenience and becomes an imperative for success. For millionaires, the seasoned navigators of entrepreneurial waters, collaboration is a strategic necessity. Assembling a team of allies in your quest for growth, each partner brings a unique set of skills and resources to the table. Now, let's plunge into the heart of this impactful strategy: the art of seeking partnerships that transcend mere cooperation. They are synergistic collaborations. In simpler terms, identifying allies whose strengths complement yours and vice versa. If your forte lies in one particular area, the objective is to find a partner whose expertise excels in another, creating a harmonious blend that spans a broad spectrum of skills. Additionally, strategic partners should be chosen to fill in the gaps where your proficiency might be less pronounced, an organic collaboration that enhances the overall dynamic. This isn't a tactical maneuver. It's a game changer, a strategic move that propels you towards sustained, long-term success. Visualize it as constructing a robust foundation for your enterprise, where each strategic partnership strengthens the structure, making it resilient in the face of challenges and adaptive to the evolving dynamics of the business environment. So, let's encapsulate the essence. Strategic partnerships are your secret weapon, your squad in the business battlefield. Millionaires understand that by forging alliances that complement strengths and shore up weaknesses, they pave the way for a journey marked by sustained, enduring success that stands the test of time. Building an empire of partnerships fortifies your position, ensuring that victory is secured for the long haul, a testament to the strategic brilliance that defines millionaire success stories. Peeling back the layers of the psychology that propels millionaires to financial success reveals a comprehensive blueprint that extends beyond mere chance or elusive formulas. At its core lies the art of nurturing a mindset attuned to success, meticulously charting strategic plans, making shrewd investment decisions, adopting a lifestyle of frugality, and committing to a journey of learning. This collection of factors forms the foundation of the millionaire's journey, demonstrating that wealth creation is not a stroke of luck but a purposeful sequence of choices. In essence, the canvas upon which the portrait of affluence is painted is woven with threads of intentional living and disciplined financial management. The power to shape one's wealth destiny resides in the deliberate cultivation of habits and perspectives conducive to prosperity. Amidst the intricate nature of financial success, it's crucial to recognize the agency each individual possesses in steering their economic trajectory. Your financial future is not a passive spectator sport. It's an interactive endeavor where your choices, actions, and mindset play pivotal roles. As the conductor of your financial journey, you hold the baton to guide the harmonious composition of your wealth trajectory. So, as we embark on this exploration together, let the wisdom gleaned from understanding the psychology of millionaires serve as a compass guiding you toward financial empowerment. Embrace the challenge of shaping your own narrative, making informed decisions, and navigating the landscape of wealth creation with resilience and determination.